are live, August 19th, 2025. Let's get into the charts. Okay, you can see the big red candle on the 15-minute chart. We took a trade. I'm going to review that, but let me just write down pre-market high 23805.25. There is no news. It's just a great red candle. 23753.5 midnight open and 23730.75. We did a opening bell drive play, so only valid within the first 10 minutes. You can see all my purchases here. I was supposed to go in 6, but I didn't realize. And then as we went in, we just kind of scalped it on the way down. Very awesome. I'm likely done for the day unless somehow this retraces all the way back here for a pre-market low break, retest, follow through. I'm likely done for the day, so I'm just gonna wait here to see if they're gonna get any more play. 3 2.3 2.47. Yeah, this is that mean reversion play. As of right now, I'm currently not really trading any mean reversions. Just hasn't been I guess the time of the month, August, maybe in before when it was super bullish, any amount of pullback you buy the dip in, but I think that's not the narrative right now. So I'm kind of, it's in my playbook, but I don't think August is the time to implement those type of mean reversion plays for me, at least for the characteristics that I am looking at. Yeah, I don't think the orb will be able to kind of withstand this. Maybe it'll kind of retrace all the way back here for a break retest. That was a killer position. Okay, I'm just looking to see if there's any divergent plays. I do trade divergences. Yeah, that looks like a little bit right there for United Healthcare. Hey, there we go. Yeah, if we were watching this, the earnings play and its persistence to not break above 135, this is a fade still for me. This 730 level, 731 level is going to be very key for me to see if I want to enter another position. Okay, pretty much recovered all of that move. That is actually super bullish. Yeah, mixed signals here. Let's see. Oh man, buy the dip. Buy the dip, 680. Yeah, there was a lot of people that tried to buy that dip. Ah. This will be the key level right here. Yep, all the line on the 1 minute chart. We have the 21 moving average 2 minute chart on here as well. Okay, if this doesn't close above, we might be in for another ride downward. Okay, we're in an early position. My stop loss is gonna be if it gets above, if it touches and does not respect this 575.5, we will be out. If it closes above 570, touches or closes, yeah, let's do a touch. Oh. Oh my goodness. Very awesome. I'm gonna take one off here. If it goes below 5%, I'm gonna just stop loss and take everything off. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hey, do that again. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, take 2 more off here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Let's take another one off here. That's kind of what happened in the first 4 minutes of the day. I just couldn't turn on the live stream. Oh my gosh. We're all out. We're all out. Beautiful win again. Textbook. Break retest. Bang. Oh my goodness. Textbook read. Could have read that any better. I'm done. I'm done for today. Pretty much. Let me just jot down what I got there. Okay, print screen. Yeah, this was a textbook read. Yep, we had a tight stop loss and just read it like a book. Just read this thing like a book. Oh my goodness. QQ. Where's Reddit? This is the most interesting play for me. You know what? I'm gonna have one contract. We're gonna go. Yeah, let's go to 220. Let's buy a contract for 220, 2 months out. I would rather buy puts here, to be honest. Dia puts. Oh, what a rebound. Yeah, that's what looked a little fishy. That's what looked a little fishy. Okay. Yeah. My idea is now invalidated. $300 Sereno. just have the ending sum here. Yeah, I'm pretty much done. If I trade anything else, it's pretty much a force. All my plays are basically on the opening drive in the first 15 minutes. Cool, what a cool day so far. Just looking at the level 2 just to see if it is showing me anything. Okay, there are some sellers. Now, typically when I'm on these charts, I don't usually see another break and retest fail. I mean, I could. I mean, it'll just be like a double confirmation, but that's not how people trade. They usually trade the first fade, which is expert read. Expert read by me. Nice. Just trying to read these level 2s right now. There is a lot of selling going on, maybe like 60-40. Yeah, fading that 230. Really fading that 230. Is it the right risk reward for me though? I think just based on where it is on the charts right now, I cannot. It's kind of, yeah. I'll go when the chart is easier to read. This is a difficult chart for me, because right now, yeah, this is a level, but I need to wait for the reaction. And right now, on the 4-hour, it looks like it wants to get faded, but can't tell for sure. Unlike, for example, this chart. Is that earnings? Oh no, that's the Warren Buffett catalyst. We need a couple more days for that one. Like, for example, this one. Yeah, if we get another 4-hour rejection or like a top wick here, easy read, I buy puts on Dia, and we fade the move. Like, this is a much easier read for me. Yep. So you go here. This isn't a textbook divergence, but it kind of got faded. The move got faded. So I'm waiting for it to diverge here. So some peekaboo up, and then it gets faded. Yeah, I don't want to read difficult charts. This is still textbook. I think it's going to retest and get faded again, so this might be higher up. Hood. I don't like this steady uptrend that it's still respecting. SPX looks pretty decent, so we are going to have all these right there. Alright guys, that's it for this Tuesday. So far so good. We just kind of followed our process. Check. And yeah, we took an opening bell drive, and we took a break retest of pre-market lows, scalped the heck out of that, and we are done in the first. Technically, we were done in the first 15 minutes of the day, but I spent the next 12 minutes just chatting checking to see if there's any swing ideas that are worth pursuing. Yeah, we just need more information on this level. That is not what you want. It's not what you want. The only good thing about this is that it is kind of underneath the level, so maybe if it chops sideways a little bit underneath, we can do another fade, but the stop loss will be here, or should be at 336, and then all of this on the downside, half of the 15-minute candle. So I'd like to wait for it then. Yeah, I like to wait for it. I want to see it come sideways a little bit here, and then we'll see where it goes. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Chat with you guys tomorrow.